Hello, in this video, I'll demonstrate the features of the signature field in bit form. Let's get started. Begin by opening your form and accessing the form builder. Scroll down on the left side of the builder, and you'll find the signature field. To add the signature field to your form, you can either click on it or drag and drop it. Click on the edit icon to access the signature field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. The label option is used to set the field's name. You can also add leading and trailing icons and customize them. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add leading and trailing icons and customize them. Admin label is used for administrative purposes. Size and position are options for resizing the field. Within the signature pod option, you can set the pen width to adjust the signature pen's width. Pen color is used to set the color of the pen for the signature. Background color sets the color of the signature page's background. The image type is used to determine the format in which the signature is exported. Button Align allows you to align the buttons. You can use the Button Reverse option to reverse the buttons. The Clear button is for erasing the signature. You can rename it and add leading and trailing icons. The Undo button is used to undo the signature. You can rename it and add leading and trailing icons. The Redo button is for redoing the signature. You can rename it and add leading and trailing icons. Helper text is used to provide explanatory text. You can also add leading and trailing icons and customize them. Required makes the field mandatory. Hidden allows you to hide the field from the form. Let's take a look at a preview of our form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.